doing?
I'm trying to hold my drink because I didn't get a fucking lid. Why would you think it was gonna be that bad? It's cold. It's cold. Dude, it's literally getting everywhere. I don't want to throw it out. There's people behind us.
Okay, I haven't introduced this video yet. Dylan and I, this is the introduction. I haven't introduced anything. Dylan and I, we're going to North Carolina to a Slammedenuff show. We've never been to this show before.
The trip so far has been fun.
The trip so far has been cool, going through the mountains and stuff. But oh my god, this road is so rough.
I'm on the way wrong for this. Fuck you. I couldn't do it.
Dude, it spilled like all over you.
I know.
Dude. Like there's like a restaurant in here.
Oh, bro, man.
Dude, Trevor. You should have came.
Okay, so I haven't done anything to like introduce this video or anything of that nature. But Dylan and I are in Charlotte, North Carolina for Slammedenuff, and instead of like vlogging the car event, like giving my opinion on cars, I have a gimbal and I've done like little edits with my car and just like played around with it. I really just want to mess with the gimbal today, so instead of doing a vlog for this car event, I just want to make just like a little edit just to mess around. So we'll see how that goes. But we're going to the car show right now.
I'ma stay here all alone with the doubt in my mind that your body's still alive. Snowing like I'm in a fucking dream, tripping off a beat, living lavish. I'm just having fun with my fucking team. I'ma stay posted at the summer beach, bitch.